Did you know that some of the most important aviation safety rules exist because of devastating accidents? Behind every rule is a story of lessons learned, often at a tragic cost. Today, we'll explore 7 airport crashes that forever changed how we fly. These tragedies reshaped aviation safety, making air travel one of the safest modes of transportation today. Stay tuned to discover how these disasters transformed the skies. Our journey begins with the Tenerife airport disaster in 1977, the deadliest aviation accident in history. Picture this: 2 massive Boeing 747s, one operated by KLM and the other by Pan Am, are on the same foggy runway. Miscommunication between pilots and air traffic control led the KLM jet to begin takeoff while the Pan Am plane was still taxiing. The result? A devastating collision that claimed 583 lives. This disaster highlighted the dangers of vague communication in high-pressure situations. To prevent similar tragedies, the aviation industry introduced standardized communication protocols. Today, pilots and controllers use precise phrases like "ready for takeoff" and "clear to land", ensuring every instruction is understood without ambiguity. Just a year later, United Airlines Flight 173 crashed near Portland, Oregon. The crew became so preoccupied with troubleshooting a faulty landing gear indicator that they ignored critical warnings about fuel levels. As the plane approached Portland, it ran out of fuel and crash-landed, killing 10 people. This tragedy led to the introduction of Crew Resource Management, or CRM, training. CRM emphasizes teamwork and communication in the cockpit, ensuring all crew members, regardless of rank, can voice concerns. This approach has saved countless lives by fostering collaboration during emergencies. In 1985, a Boeing 737 at Manchester Airport experienced an engine fire during takeoff. While most passengers initially survived, the evacuation was delayed and toxic smoke filled the cabin, resulting in 55 fatalities. This accident underscored the importance of fast evacuations. The industry responded by introducing the 90-second rule, which mandates that all aircraft must be designed for complete evacuation within 90 seconds. Additionally, planes now use fire-resistant materials in their interiors to reduce the spread of toxic fumes. Next, the crash of Air Ontario Flight 1363 in 1989 revealed the dangers of icy conditions. The plane attempted to take off without proper de-icing, causing ice to disrupt airflow over the wings. Shortly after liftoff, the plane lost lift and crashed, killing 24 people. This incident led to strict de-icing regulations, ensuring no aircraft can depart until it's cleared of ice and snow. These procedures have become a vital part of winter operations, saving lives in harsh weather conditions. In 1996, ValueJet Flight 592 crashed into the Florida Everglades after a fire broke out in the cargo hold. Improperly stored oxygen generators ignited the blaze, engulfing the plane and killing all 110 people on board. This disaster exposed critical flaws in cargo safety. In response, hazardous materials were banned from passenger aircraft cargo holds, and fire suppression systems became mandatory for cargo areas. These advancements have significantly reduced the risk of onboard fires. The crash of Air France Flight 4590, a Concorde supersonic jet, in 2000 marked the tragic end of an era for the Concorde. During takeoff, the jet hit debris on the runway, puncturing a fuel tank and causing a catastrophic fire. This incident led to stricter runway inspection protocols to ensure that debris is cleared before any plane takes off. It also emphasized the importance of fuel tank safety, prompting design improvements for future aircraft. Finally, the 9/11 terrorist attack in 2001 changed aviation forever. Hijackers turned 4 commercial planes into weapons, causing nearly 3,000 deaths and reshaping global security. In the aftermath, governments introduced sweeping reforms. Planes were equipped with hardened cockpit doors, and passenger screening became more rigorous. Airports worldwide now prioritize security over convenience, ensuring that such a tragedy is never repeated. Each of these crashes brought heartbreaking losses, but they also brought valuable lessons that continue to shape the aviation industry. Today, thanks to these changes, air travel is one of the safest ways to get from one place to another. Which of these safety measures surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more powerful stories like this one. Thanks for watching.